So, you've got a thriving online business. Maybe you sell digital products, services, or even physical goods. Your website is looking sharp, traffic is flowing in, but you're hitting a snag. Customers are loving your stuff, but when it comes to checkout, the payment options aren't quite cutting it. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a way to tap into a huge market of potential customers, simplify the checkout process, and potentially boost your sales? It's called Cash App. But here's the million-dollar question: how do you actually accept Cash App payments on your website? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We'll break down the process step by step, from choosing the right tools to integrating Cash App seamlessly into your checkout flow. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to start accepting Cash App payments and give your customers the payment flexibility they crave. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why accepting Cash App payments is a smart move for your business. Cash App has exploded in popularity, and it's become a preferred payment method for millions of people. By offering this option, you're opening your doors to a whole new customer base. Plus, Cash App payments are generally faster and cheaper to process compared to traditional credit card payments. But let's be real, integrating a new payment method isn't always a walk in the park. There are technical hurdles to overcome, and you might be wondering if it's even worth the hassle. Don't worry, we'll cover the potential challenges and how to overcome them. Alright, enough talking, let's get down to business. The first step is to choose the right platform to accept Cash App payments on your website. We'll explore a few popular options, compare their features, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your business. Once you've picked your platform, it's time to set up your Cash App account and connect it to your website. We'll walk you through the process, step by step, with clear instructions and visuals. Next, we'll talk about optimizing your checkout process to make it as smooth as possible for your customers. We'll discuss best practices for layout, design, and copy to ensure a seamless payment experience. Of course, no business is complete without tracking its performance. We'll cover essential metrics to monitor and how to use them to optimize your Cash App payment strategy. And finally, we'll touch on security and compliance. Accepting payments means handling sensitive customer information, so it's crucial to protect your business and your customers. We'll share tips on how to stay compliant with relevant regulations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.